Good morning, class 6th. How are you all? I hope you all are well. This is your science class. So in today's class, we are going to learn about parts of a flower with the help of a diagram. Okay? So here we are going to start. So what is a flower? Flower is the reproductive unit of a plant. फ्लावर क्या होती है? रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट होती है किसी भी प्लांट की. अगर आपके प्लांट में जब तक फ्लावर नहीं लगेगा तब तक उसमें फ्रूट नहीं लगेंगे. फ्रूट से लगेंगे तो उसमें सीड्स नहीं होंगे, और अगर सीड नहीं होंगे तो आपका प्लांट नहीं उगेगा. इसलिए आपके मोस्टली आपके जितने भी प्लांट होते हैं, है ना, उसमें फ्लावर लगते हैं. ठीक है, कुछ में नहीं लगते हैं, उनमें कौन्स लगते हैं, बट यूजुअली मोस्टली आपके जितने भी प्लांट होते हैं उसमें क्या होता है? फ्लावर लगते हैं. ठीक है, और उन्हीं की वजह से आपके फ्रूट लगते हैं एंड सीड लगते हैं और आपका न्यू प्लांट बॉर्न होता है. ओके, सो रिपीट आफ्टर मी. फ्लावर्स आर रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट ऑफ अ प्लांट. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू नो अबाउट द पार्ट्स ऑफ फ्लावर. जैसे हमने पहले पढ़ा है कि जो हमारे प्लांट होते हैं, प्लांट के पार्ट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रूट, स्टेम, ब्रांचेस, फ्लावर, फ्रूट, लीव्स, है ना. सो ऑन द सेम वे हमारे फ्लावर के भी पार्ट्स होते हैं. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. So the first part of a plant is pedicel. Here it comes out from the branch. आपकी जो ब्रांच होती है उसमें से एक छोटी सी एक स्टॉक निकलती है, which is known as pedicel. Pedicel. Okay. Above pedicel there is a bulgy like structure. ठीक है, इस तरह से बल्ज किया हुआ स्ट्रक्चर होता है. ओके, दिस bulgy structure is known as thalamus. This is known as thalamus. Okay, after that you have small leaflets, leaf-like structure like this around your flower. Okay, so these are called sepal. These are called sepal. Okay, after sepal they have these. What are these? You all know what are these? Petals. What are these? Petal. What are these? These are petal. Okay. Inside the petal we have reproductive organs of flower. Flower की reproductive organs. So reproductive organs are the male part of plant and the female part of the plant. Okay, so first we are going to make female part of the plant. Okay, so here is first part. This part is known as stigma. This is known as stigma. After that there is a long neck. Okay, this is known as, what is it called? Style. What is it called? Style. After that there is another bulgy like structure which is known as ovary. Okay, so here in this part there is ovary and small ovules. Okay, ovary and ovules. Okay, got it? So here we have learnt about female part of the plant. Okay, Female organs of the plant is stigma, style, ovary and ovules. Ovules are inside ovary. Now we are making male part. Here is filament. Now we are making anther. Okay. So the attached part is known as filament. This stalk which we are making is known as filament. These are filaments, and above filament there is a bulgy structure which is known as anther. It is known as anther. Repeat after me. It is known as anther. Okay. So the stalk of male part is called as filament and the bulgy part is called anther. Okay. Inside your anther there are pollen grains. इसके अंदर small dotted structures होते हैं इस तरह से, इन्हें हम बोलते हैं pollen grains. What are they called? Pollen grains. Okay, got it? Yes, these all are pollen grains. Now we are going to mention the female organs and the male organs of the flower. Okay. So first we are going to do the female part. This is called stigma. The upper part is called stigma. After that there is style. The long neck is known as style. Okay. Next it's ovary, and inside ovary are ovules. These are ovules. So these all are female organs of a flower. Okay. Stigma, style, ovary, ovules. So these are female organs of the flower. Okay. Now we are going to mention the male part or male organs of the flower. This one is anther. This one is called anther. And this stalk, inside anther is pollen grains, and the stalk is known as filament. What is called? Filament. So the male organs of flower are anther, pollen grains and filament. Okay. These are male organs. Got it? सो जो रिप्रोडक्शन का प्रोसेस होता है वो पॉलिनेशन के थ्रू होता है, जिसमें जो पोलन ग्रेन्स होते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ एयर वाटर ये उड़ के स्टिग्मा के ऊपर आते हैं, एंड वो पोलन ग्रेन्स जब ओवरी के पास जाते हैं तो वो ओवरी को मैच्योर कर देते हैं. अब जब मैच्योर ओवरी बन जाती है वो होता है आपके फ्रूट, और जो ओव्यूल्स होते हैं, जो मैच्योर ओव्यूल्स होते हैं, दे टर्न इनटू सीड विच देन टर्न इनटू अ बेबी प्लांट. ओके. So this is the process of reproduction in a plant. Okay, understood? So now you have to make this diagram. I hope you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.